You've probably heard of JCT or FIDIC contracts in construction. These are umbrella terms for standard forms of contract. They're standard because they utilise pre-written clauses that can be applied to any project. But what about when you come across a bespoke form? One that's been drafted by a legal team, which is completely tailor-made for the project you're working on. The clauses, structure, and order of documents are completely alien. In this video, we explore the differences between the two, understand why some clients opt for this approach, and detail some of the risks and opportunities of both. If you're new to this channel, we upload educational quantity surveying content every Wednesday, giving you crucial information about our wonderful profession in a concise, easy to understand format. If you haven't already, click subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Standard forms of contract, such as JCT and FIDIC, are popular because they bring familiarity, efficiency, and a balance of risk that has been tried and tested across thousands of projects. Most surveyors, contractors, and clients will understand the language, meaning disputes can often be resolved more quickly. On the other hand, bespoke forms are drafted from scratch, usually by a legal team representing a client. These contracts can give clients greater control and flexibility, but they often come with added complexity and uncertainty. For contractors and consultants, the risks are higher, as terms may be weighted in the client's favour. Understanding the differences are crucial, as it shapes the way we manage cost, time, quality, and ultimately commercial risk. When faced with a bespoke contract, the first challenge is interpretation. Unlike JCT or FIDIC, where guidance and case law are well established, bespoke forms often lack that supporting framework. This means more time must be spent reviewing clauses, seeking legal advice, and ensuring that risks are understood before works begin. It also increases the need for clear negotiation, as contractors may want to push back on onerous terms. For quantity surveyors, the ability to read, interpret, and advise on these documents is invaluable. These are the skills which make you a high-value QS. If you want to become more valuable as a QS and level up your career, we have something which might be of interest to you with Metroun Career Coach. With one-to-one sessions, CV and LinkedIn reviews, and tailored interview preparation, it's designed specifically for quantity surveyors. Applications open quarterly, with limited spaces available. Visit metroun.co.uk and join the waiting list to secure your spot. While standard forms promote consistency and predictability, bespoke contracts highlight the importance of attention to detail. Ultimately, whether you're working under a standard or bespoke form, understanding the nuances is key to protecting your client's position. In conclusion, standard forms and bespoke contracts each have their place in construction. Standardization offers clarity and efficiency, while bespoke drafting allows flexibility but often brings higher risk. The key for quantity surveyors is to recognize the differences, adapt quickly, and provide sound commercial advice that safeguards projects and supports successful outcomes. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.